What if I told you that AI could make you smarter, more productive, and even help you reach your goals faster than ever? Forget self books. Forget trial and error. AI is the new cheat code for self improvement. Watch till the end because I will show you how AI can transform your life completely starting today. Imagine getting life advice from Marcus Aurelius, Carl Jung, Elon Musk, or Steve Jobs. If you don't like Elon Musk or any of them, whoever you want. AI makes it possible. With tools like a simple ChatGPT power prompt or character AI or Pi AI. So why settle for guesswork when you can have a personal mentor 24/7 that helps you out in your personal life with strategy, with your company, with businesses, dealing with kids, dealing with the day-to-day, and help you grow, help you improve. And then you have AI optimized learning with tools like Mind Studio and Wisdom Plan. I love Wisdom Plan, where you can create and craft your own courses personalized to the way you learn at the pace you want it on the free time you have. And if you don't have free time, well, you do 15 minutes every day or 5 minutes, whatever it is, but AI will adapt and help you achieve what you need. Step 3 is AI for productivity and goal setting. You got to stop procrastinating. There's no excuse anymore. AI doesn't just teach, it keeps you accountable. It helps you track, set your goals, review what you achieve, rewind, reiterate, redesign, adjust, and keep on going. So you can set your goals. AI will remind you, adjust your schedule, and track your habits. It's like having an assistant to push you to stay on track all the time. Say goodbye to procrastination. AI will force you to level up. So start using AI today to improve yourself, to make yourself better. Check the prompts below. They will help you out in ChatGPT to do all these things. Thank you.